In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and find photos in OneDrive 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, locate your photos quickly, and organize them into albums so everything is easy to browse and share. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in your web browser. This makes sure you're accessing your personal OneDrive library where your files and photos are stored securely. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the grid icon typically near the top left of the page. Click it to open the menu that lists all your Microsoft apps. From that menu, choose OneDrive. This opens your cloud storage. Along the top, you'll see different views. Click Photos to switch to a gallery view that focuses only on your images and videos. This view is perfect for scanning your library without the distraction of other file types. If you need to find something specific, use the search bar at the top, type a file name, a keyword you used when saving, or even try terms like vacation or birthday if your files include those words. You can also search by file type or approximate dates to narrow things down. The more precise your keywords, the faster you'll land on the right photo. When you're ready to organize, think in terms of albums. Albums in OneDrive are like curated collections. They don't move files from their original location, they simply group them for viewing and sharing. In the Photos view, switch over to Albums. This section will show any albums you already have and is where you'll create new ones. Click Create a New Album. Give your album a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it instantly later. For example, use event names, locations, or date ranges. Once you've named it, choose Add Photos. You'll see your photo library. Select the images you want to include. You can pick as many as you like, and you can always add or remove items later if you change your mind. After you've made your selections, confirm by creating the album. OneDrive will compile your choices into a tidy, shareable collection. Albums are great for sending a single link to family and friends or for keeping work and personal collections separate without duplicating files. That's it. Sign in, open OneDrive, switch to Photos, use the search bar to find what you need, and use Albums to keep everything organized and easy to access. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.